Hey, how are you? Welcome back to Top 10 Financial Advice. It's your boy, David Akins, and listen, I get it. Managing money with a family can feel like a full-contact sport, but you don't have to be a millionaire to live well. Today, we're diving into 30 money-saving hacks for our family. So, grab your notebooks and let's get this financial freedom train rolling. You will save a lot of money after watching this video. Please click the subscribe button. Alright, let's kick things off with a simple one that'll have you saying cheese for more reasons than one. Forget the expensive name-brand toothpaste aisle. Head straight to baking soda. It's a natural whitener, fights plaque, and costs pennies on the dollar. Trust me, your teeth will feel cleaner, your wallet will feel heavier, and you'll be smiling to the bank. Now, who doesn't love fresh homegrown veggies? And who doesn't love saving money? Well, get ready to do both. Begin small, maybe with some easy-to-grow herbs like basil and mint. Or how about some juicy tomatoes bursting with flavor? Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of serving up a meal with ingredients you grew yourself. I know, sometimes that takeout menu is just calling your name. But trust me, your wallet and waistline will thank you for resisting. Cooking at home is cheaper and gets the whole family involved. Plus, you control the ingredients, leading to healthier meals. Okay, I know this one might sound a little scary at first, but hear me out. Those haircuts add up, especially with a family of 5. Investing in a good pair of clippers and watching a few YouTube tutorials can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in the long run. Start with simple trims, and who knows, you might just discover a hidden talent. Let's be real, kids grow faster than weeds. It seems like you're buying new clothes every other week. That's where the beauty of hand-me-downs comes in. Don't be afraid to pass clothes down from one child to the next. Plus, it teaches our kids valuable lessons about sharing and appreciating what they have. Thrifting isn't just about finding great deals, it's an adventure. It's about giving pre-loved items a new life, reducing waste, and scoring unique pieces you won't find anywhere else. Make it a family outing, turn up the music, and let the treasure hunt begin. Let's talk laundry, that never-ending cycle, pun intended. Instead of doing multiple loads throughout the week, designate one day as laundry day. This not only saves you water and electricity, but also frees up your time during the week. And here's a bonus tip. Wash full loads only. Winter's coming, and you know what that means? Heating bills through the roof. But fear not, my friend, there's a smarter way to stay warm without breaking the bank. Instead of heating your entire house, focus on the rooms you're actually using. Close off any unused rooms, shut the doors, and let that electric heater work its magic where it counts. Ready to put your willpower to the test? Challenge yourself and your family to a 7-day no-spend challenge. For 1 week, commit to spending money only on absolute essentials like groceries and gas. No takeout, no impulse buys, no online shopping sprees. You might even surprise yourself with how much you can save. How many streaming services are you subscribed to that you barely use, or that gym membership you swore you'd use? It's time to audit those subscriptions. Cancel anything you don't use. Every dollar counts, and those fees add up. Redirect that money towards savings or family vacation. Let's talk about our mindset towards money. It's easy to get caught up in the "I need more" mentality, but money is simply a tool. It's not meant to control us or dictate our worth. Let's view money as a tool for good, to build a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Credit cards can be helpful tools, but they can also be dangerous if not used responsibly. Those interest charges can quickly snowball into a mountain of debt. The key is to avoid paying interest at all costs. Pay off your balance in full each month and treat your credit card like a debit card. Pay yourself first, the 10% rule. Tithing, giving 10% of our income, is a powerful act of faith and gratitude. The same principle applies to saving. Before paying bills or making purchases, set aside 10% into savings. This builds a safety net and honors God with your finances. Straight to savings, tax refunds, work bonuses, birthday money from grandma. Any unexpected income should be treated like a gift from above because it kind of is. Instead of blowing it on something frivolous, funnel that money directly into your savings or investment accounts. It's a great way to boost your savings rate and reach your financial goals faster. Let your money grow. Time to invest. Saving is crucial, but it's only the first step. To build wealth, put your money to work. Start small, research, and consider low-cost index funds. Start early and let compound interest work. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. I know the B word can make some people cringe, but trust me, a budget is your best friend when it comes to managing your money. It doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. Think of it as a financial roadmap, a way to track your income and expenses so you can make informed decisions about your money. Thank goodness for technology, right? There are so many fantastic free apps out there that can help you track your spending, create budgets, and even invest your spare change. Find one that works for you and your family, and let technology do the heavy lifting. In a world of contactless payments and online shopping, it's easy to lose track of how much we're actually spending. That's why using cash can be such a powerful tool. When you physically hand over cash, you're more mindful of each purchase. Try the envelope system. Allocate cash for different spending categories each month, and once it's gone, it's gone. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed and keep learning. There are countless free resources available online, from blogs and podcasts to YouTube channels like this one. From furniture and electronics to tools and sporting goods, buying secondhand can save you a small fortune. Don't be afraid to explore online marketplaces, thrift stores, and consignment shops. You'll be amazed at the quality and value you can find. Plus, it's a sustainable choice that reduces waste and gives pre-loved items a new lease on life. Say goodbye to those last-minute grocery runs and hello to a well-stocked fridge and pantry. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to saving money on groceries. Your freezer is your best friend when it comes to saving money and reducing food waste. Before you head to the grocery store, take inventory of what you already have in your freezer. Challenge yourself to use up those leftovers, frozen fruits and veggies, and forgotten treasures before buying more. Meat can be one of the most expensive items on your grocery bill. So why not give your wallet and the planet a break by going meatless once a week? Those individually packaged snacks might be convenient, but they're also expensive and often loaded with sugar and preservatives. Take control of your snack game by making your own. Homemade cookies, granola bars, fruit leathers, and veggie sticks are healthier, tastier, and much more affordable. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your service providers. Whether it's your internet, cable, phone, or insurance, it never hurts to ask for a better deal. Call them up, be polite but firm, and see what they can do for you. Remember, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Unless you're dealing with heavily soiled clothes, washing your laundry in cold water is just as effective as using hot water and saves you a significant amount of energy. Most detergents are formulated to work just as well in cold water, and you'll prolong the life of your clothes by preventing fading and shrinking. Let's be honest, most of us wash our clothes more often than necessary. Unless they're visibly dirty or smelly, most clothes can be worn multiple times before they need a wash. This saves water, energy, and wear and tear on your clothes. Those pennies and nickels might seem insignificant, but they add up quickly. Keep a jar or piggy bank handy and make it a habit to empty your pockets and purse of loose change at the end of each day. You'll be surprised at how much you can accumulate over time. Ditch the expensive, chemical-laden cleaning products and embrace the power of natural ingredients. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils can be combined to create effective and affordable cleaning solutions for your entire home. You'll save money, reduce your exposure to harsh chemicals, and feel good about using natural alternatives. Gas prices got you down? Reduce your reliance on your car by exploring carpooling options with friends, family, or coworkers. And don't forget about public transportation. It's often a more affordable and convenient option, especially for commuting. And there you have it. 30 money-saving hacks to help your family live better on less. Remember, being frugal means being wise with the resources God has given us. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to @DavidAkinsFinancial for more tips on living a financially free life. Until next time, God bless, and keep those savings growing.